Limmer Education's crash course is the best hour you can spend preparing for the National Registry. Here's what you'll get in the crash course. You will get 25 things you need to know, absolutely must know things for the National Registry, spread into each of the 5 sections of the exam. In airway, ventilation, and respiration, do you know how the registry will expect you to give oxygen? In medical emergencies, will you get the depth and conditions like diabetic emergencies? In cardiology and resuscitation, will you know all the facts required for you to go out and run a code, perform CPR, what to do after you defibrillate? In traumatic emergencies, do you know how to identify criticality in trauma patients? Can you look at a question and find out? And finally, operations. Operations isn't just the back of the book, it's the front and the back of the book, and we have you covered there as well. The crash course is an hour, whether you're just starting your preparation or whether the exam is coming up quickly and you know you need more. Limmer Education's crash course video, again, it's the best hour that you can spend preparing for the National Registry.